Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. So as you all know that tomorrow is expiry day and Bank Nifty is ready for that expiry movement because from the last 3 days it goes sideways to upside market. So if tomorrow market opens around 41,600 and if it shows any kind of positive movement above that, then you can expect some buying trade here, and target you can expect to 41,920, so round level 42,000. For taking any kind of selling trade, we are going to look into 15-minute candle. If it closes below any kind of swing, then you can take trade for selling. So in 1-day candle chart, it looks positive to me, but if it shows any kind of negative movement by opening up down, then we need to ready for that movement also. So in 15-minute candle, you can clearly see that Bank Nifty continuously goes in sideways for the last 3 days, and it trades in a range which is 41,700 to 41,400 range. So my suggestion would be, if market tomorrow opens flat and if it closes above 41,600, then we're going to get a very good trade here. And one thing you also notice here that it tried to closes above all time and it made a lower high position. That means it looks positive as of now. So if it opens gap up and opens flat and closes above 14,800 or 600, then you can expect some buying trader. So if it opens gap up and shows any kind of positive movement, then you can take trade for buying. The reason is today there are not many buyers as much. So if it opens gap up, then you can expect some buying pressure here. And if it opens gap down and if it trades below 14,400 or 350, then you can also take trade for selling, because continuously it will take support from that level. So if it closes below that, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be around 41,000 to 41,100. And that's all about Bank Nifty. Now let's look into Nifty in 1-day candle chart. So in Nifty, it looks more positive than Bank Nifty because it closes above that range, which is 70,800 to 850 range. So if tomorrow market opens flat and if it try to closes above 70,870 or 900, then you can expect some buying pressure here, and target will be around round level 18,000 to 70,980. And for taking any kind of selling trade, we're going to look into 15-minute candle, then we can decide what to do. So in 15-minute candle, you can also notice here that it continuously trades in a range, and today it tried to closes above that range, and also it made a lower high here, which means it looks positive right now. So if it opens flat and closes above 70,880 or 900, then you can expect some buying pressure here. And if it opens gap up, then you can also consider it for buying. And if it opens gap down and if it trades below that swing, which is 70,800, which previously act as a major resistance level, so if it breaks that level with a large candle, then you can expect some selling pressure here, because there are so many buyers added here. So if it closes below that, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target until 70,722, round level 70,700. So that's all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. So if you wanted to take any kind of option trade in Bank Nifty, then you need to analyze Bank Nifty components, because Bank Nifty components are providing movement to Bank Nifty. Then if you catch this kind of movement, then it is helpful for you to make profits in Bank Nifty options. So our first bank will be HDFC Bank, and in HDFC Bank you can clearly see that it tried to close above 1660 today also, but it did not sustain there. So if tomorrow market opens flat and it trades above 1654, then you can also take trade for buying, and the target will be around 1670 to 1680. And in ICICI Bank, it looks positive as right now, and if it opens flat and opens gap up and it trades above 860 or 61, then you can expect some buying pressure here, and target you can set to 865 to round level 870. In SBI, it goes sideways today also. So my suggestion would be wait for another 1 or 2 days to either closes above 560 or closes below 545, then you can expect some buying or selling pressure over there. And in Kotak Bank, it tried to close above 1780 level today also, but it shows some negative movement after that. So as of now, it looks negative to me, but if it trades below 1760, then you can expect some selling pressure here. Target will be around 1750 to 1740. If it opens a gap up and trades above 1770, then you can expect some buying pressure there. In Axis Bank, it also tried to close above 880 level, but it could not sustain there. So right now it trades around that zone, which previously acted as a support level. So if it breaks that, or if it trades below 870, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target you can set to round level 860. So our last bank will be IndusInd Bank, and IndusInd Bank, you can clearly see that it continuously trades in that range, and it will try to closes above that resistance, which previously saw some negative movement from that. So if tomorrow market closes above 1150 with large candle, then you can expect some buying pressure here. But my suggestion would be wait for another 1 or 2 days, or if it shows any kind of negative movement tomorrow, then you can expect some selling pressure here, and target will be around 1125 to round level 1120. And that's all about today, guys. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share it. So let's meet on another day.